Beloved actor John Bird has died at the age of 86, and tributes have started to pour in for the late actor. Bird was probably best known for his work in the TV series Bremner, Bird, and Fortune. The actor's friend and comedy partner Rory Bremner confirmed his death as he paid tribute to him as one of our great satirists. Bremner wrote, "It's an irony that one of our greatest satirists, so brilliant at portraying ministers, civil servants or high-ranking officials who exuded self-satisfaction, was himself so modest and self-effacing." John Bird was, to the end, never pleased with himself, always feeling he should have done better, been less lazy, had a late period like Brahms, where everything was spare and abstract. The reality was that he and his friend and collaborator John Fortune, together with Peter Cook, were pillars of the anti-establishment. Bird rose to fame alongside Bremner and co-star John Fortune through the Channel 4 sketch show, which ran from 1999 to 2010. The satirical show ran for 16 series and was nominated for numerous BAFTA TV awards. Aside from his long-running stint on the popular show, Bird was also a part of the satire boom of the 1960s, starring in shows like That Was the Week That Was. Meanwhile, his film credits include Red and Blue, Cynthia, A Dandy in Aspic, 30 is a Dangerous Sage, Jabberwocky, and Yellow Pages. Reports say the comedian died peacefully on Christmas Eve, almost 9 years after his comedy partner John Fortune's death. Bird, who hails from Bulwell in Nottinghamshire, reportedly died at Bendian Care Home. A statement announcing his death added that a family funeral will be followed by a celebration of his life in the new year. The Nottingham-born comedy great attended a grammar school in his younger years, before going to Cambridge University, where he met his comedy partner Fortune. Tributes came pouring in for Bird this afternoon following the news of his death. Comedian Angela Barnes wrote, "R.I.P. John Bird, you were wonderful in Bremner, Bird and Fortune, and Absolute Power and other satirical shows. However, to me, and probably to others of my vintage, you will always be remembered as Marmalade Atkins' dad." Marmalade Atkins is a children's fictional character created by the writer Andrew Davis, who first appeared in the book Marmalade and Rufus in 1979. The character was later brought to television in 1981 under the name Educating Marmalade, where Bird portrayed the protagonist's father, Mr. Atkins. Journalist Jack Blackburn wrote, "John Bird was, like many of that generation, a quiet genius. R.I.P., will be sadly missed." Sick, actor Tony Gardner penned, "Honored to have spent time in the company of John Bird while making TV and radio over the years. A wonderful gentleman, hugely talented, incredibly funny and with all the stories. R.I.P. John. Sick."